Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is very important because I'm sharing something from my own lifestyle. Actually, one day in my life, I'll answer some simple questions in English, and this way, you can also learn how to talk about your daily life. So, let's begin this video. First question: what did you do this morning? I woke up around 6:30 this morning. After having some water, I swept and mopped the floor. Since today's Amavasya, I made kheer and performed worship. Do you usually wake up at 6:30 or was it just for today? I usually wake up around 6:30, but sometimes I wake up as early as 5 a.m. When you wake up at 5 a.m., what do you usually do with that extra time? When I have extra time, I edit videos and publish them on YouTube. What kind of videos do you usually upload on your YouTube channel? I have three YouTube channels. One is an English learning channel, and the other two are devotional channels. I usually upload devotional content. Which channel do you enjoy working on the most and why? I enjoy working on both channels. I created the English learning channel to improve my own English, and whatever I learn, I upload there. I started the devotional channels because I believe in God and want to share spiritual knowledge and kathas. If you could make your YouTube channels very successful, which one would you want to grow faster and why? Both channels have their own importance, so I want to grow both. Devotional content is something everyone needs, and English is also very important nowadays because everyone wants to speak English. When you upload a new video, how do you feel? Excited, nervous, or something else? I feel neutral because my audience is still quite small right now. If your audience becomes very big in the future, how will you feel when you upload a video? I'll be glad to upload any kind of video when I have a huge audience. What kind of comments would you like to receive from your audience? Everyone likes positive and heartwarming comments, and I like them too. If sometimes you get a negative comment, how would you handle it? A coin has two sides, right? And people are the same way. If some are positive, some are also negative. So I prefer to avoid negative comments and people. If someone gives you a suggestion, do you like to follow it or do you prefer your own style? If the advice is good, I'll definitely follow it. What new ideas do you have for your English learning channel in the future? When my channel begins to grow, I want to open an English speaking institute. For the first few months, I'll give free classes. Why do you want to give free classes in the beginning? Everyone likes offers or discounts, so it's a good strategy to grow. Also, if poor people want to learn English without paying fees, I'll definitely teach them for free. If one of your students becomes very successful because of your teaching, how will you feel? I'll feel very proud and happy. What is your biggest dream for the future? This question is for my lovely audience and learners. Okay, I want your answer. So please write down your answer in the comment box. I'll eager to check it out. Okay, and keep learning, keep growing, practice this session. And if you feel like you stuck somewhere. So you pause the video and take a deep breath and slowly just, you know, learn, because it's a slow process. Okay, we can't learn a language over a night. We need some time, some efforts. So have some patience and keep practice daily. Okay, you will see the improvement day by day. Please practice daily. Keep learning. I'll be there for helping you.